Hi everybody, it's Nadia here and I'm bringing to you a haul, and the reason why I'm bringing this haul is because I thought I just would, to be honest with you. I just thought that there's been some good bargains out there. These are just things that I've picked up from Wilko's, from Superdrug and from Debenhams, and I just thought, why not bring them to you? First of all, I'm going to start off with what I was holding up to when you first see the video. This is the Be Delicious DKNY in like the pink bottle. I got this from Superdrug and this was on offer for £18. £18, and I grabbed it. So I had this delivered to the house because if you've got their card you get minimum delivery of £10. But then I also got the Vichy the Derma Blend 3D correction. I've heard good things about this foundation, and apparently it's really good for blending, mixing foundations up. So this was on offer for £14 instead of the 23. So I was like, I'm going to grab it while it's on offer, but I'm happy I got my bargains. So then the next thing that was actually in the beginning that you saw, this is the Disney the Nutcracker and the Four Realms, and this is the Glade in Sugar Plum Fantasies. Now I've got these all over my house. People are going to think that I've got a thing about smells. Yes, I have. I like to make sure that my house smells nice. I don't know why, I just do. I'm going to open this and show you guys. Every room has got one in, and this is for my bedroom because I couldn't find the one for my bedroom that I had, but then I found it after I bought this. But I'm not mad, I'm quite happy. This is all set up to go. I always have it on the 38. You can put it on, I think it's 9, 18 and 38. Always have it on 38 because I have a lot of smellies going off at the same time. So that works, doesn't it? Oh, that smells nice. That does smell nice. So like I say, I have it on the 38, but I wanted to check to make sure that it was all good. And this, guys, was £5. It's got the batteries in it, and it's also got the tin that you need to use it. So I grabbed it. I did nearly grab more, but I was like, you've only got so many rooms in your house, Nadia. But bargain. I also needed Christmas tree lights. I'm not doing my Christmas tree this year. I have the same ornaments because it is such a unique Christmas tree. But as I took my Christmas tree down last year, the lights on them are broken at the top at the wire, and because I'm disabled, my plugs are like here, not down on the floor. So I was like, I need to get some new ones. This is why I went in there in the first place. Spent more money than I should have done. So I got these Christmas tree lights. But the best thing, which is about time somebody thought about doing it, is they've actually put it on a reel, and it means that you're not going to lose your lights. Whereas I used to sort of get the box and just wrap it round the box, or a box, and then put it back inside the box. So £20. I've got a 7-foot tree and there were 600 white lights and there's enough for my tree. So I was quite happy. So the next thing I got, which again is on offer, this is the Lenore. It's 33 washers. It's the Ruby Jasmine smell, and this was on for £2. So, oh, that smells nice. And I also got a Christmas one as well. So, but I'm constantly buying these. And then the next thing was, which was on £1 something. This is the Elite Bang Power Cleaner for black moulds, and this is just for around the bottom of the my shower, just so that I can get it clean. The next thing that I got, and this is really random and off the cuff, but my daughter's having my computer and I'm having a new computer, and she will need a new mouse because I like my mouse. So I just picked up one from Wilko's, sorted. So it's a little present, a little extra bit for her. I also picked up some of my Pro Enamel toothpaste. That's what I use, one of the ones that I use, but I always make sure that I've got them in. And then I also went in, and this is all from Wilko's, guys. These are the fruits, coconut and vanilla body scrub. Oh, if you don't like coconut, you won't like this smell. But this is so nice, and because I have got scarring on my legs, this gives it a nice little scrub. I don't want anything over scrubby, if that is even a word. So, but then I also got the blueberry and Morleo cherry. Oh, that smells nice as well. And again, these were on for £1. So then I also brought the cats, because I'm having to keep them in, as I probably mentioned in videos. And my cat likes these ones. It's like on a string. I can show you. She says it's like on a string, and she kills it. So, and it's fun, and watching her do it, and it's the one that's always in my videos. She's the one, and it's hilarious. It really is. This one looks more like a, I don't know, it's got weird sticky up bits, can you see? But anyway, she likes the little toys now, so happy chappy. And then they also brought, these are really like random, but the Dishmatic Your Dish Friends 3 refill packs. I brought 2 packets of these as well, and they're just easy to wash the pots with. You don't have to put a load of soap suds in or anything like that. These are amazing. And the last things that I got is I went and got the Wilko's 100% cotton bath sheets, and I just got grey because I'm boring, and my bathroom is technically white and grey anyway, and I didn't think about that until now. But yeah, I've just brought four new towels. I then went and ordered on Debenhams. My daughter wants the Gimme Brow in shade 3 for Christmas, and it had 15% off, so I got it. It was just an easy bog standard. Yeah, get it. It's something she wants, and she'll be happy. So, and then the last thing that I got from Debenhams was this Moschino, and these are the fresh bottles, and I think these are so pretty. Now I've got a bigger size of this one, It's not as big as this, but a bigger size of this one. And this is actually perfume. These are toilettes, which is a not so fragrance. So I treated myself, you know, like you do, because I always do, so why not? So then I also ordered, the next thing that I did was I went and I ordered again. This is the MAC collection, but this is the ones with the, this one comes in a silver, and it's got 6 of the products in. I was like, I'm getting it because when Black Friday comes, it's not going to be there. But not only did I get this, which was £65, I was able to pick, you're allowed to pick a free gift, and I'm like, yeah, I can do a free gift. So I got another free black mascara from there. And not only that, they had, if you bought something over £45, you get a free blusher. Now, I was expecting something a bit nicer than this, I must admit. This is it's called Humour Me, and it's quite a dark blusher. For me, I'd probably be able to get away with like contouring with this, or using it as a bronzer. But it was free, guys, and these are like £18, and whether or not it's your shade, I think last year I got a free shade of the highlighter and I didn't like it. I've given my daughter, so I just gave it to her because it was like sat in my drawers. So I had fun, I really did. I had a lot of fun. So this is my little haul. There'll be more hauls coming, guys, because obviously Black Friday's happened. So yeah, just keep your eyes out for them. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget, if you're new to this channel, hit the subscribe button, tap the bell, and it'll let you know when I bring a video out. And also, if you've got any comments or want to see any of the makeup in action, then just let me know and I will put a video out just for you. So I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.